Why do things break? Things break because they get put in, and not everybody had input into trying to figure out how not to make things break. How many IT programs start with a big project management team, a big development effort, some level of UAT, and then, okay, operations, good luck, have fun. What I want you to do is take your hands and go like this. Everybody just take their hands and go like this. Which thumb is on top? Okay? Take your hands apart and force your hands so that the other thumb is on top. Feel strange? Still your hands. Why does it feel strange?
Not the usual.
It's not the usual. We turned our service desk off. People got used to the service desk. So we turned our service desk off. And what we did instead is we transferred the phones to developers. We asked them to go and answer the phones. They didn't like it. Aww. My service desk loved it. They thought it was a great idea. They wanted to leave it that way. Then they remembered they needed a job. The service desk can help you capture that voice of the customer, because every time they pick up the phone, that's the voice of the customer. And they're not telling you they love you, IT. They're telling you, fix this, please, which is code for you're terrible. How many people are paid to answer the call? How many people are paid to make the call? Anyone in your organization walk around and going, hey, you know, this year I called the service desk 200 times, my bonus? No. Think of the number of times that people are calling the service desk, give them a problem, and then go smoke a cigarette or go get a cup of coffee, or both. Is that a waste? Remember we were talking about waste earlier? Is that a waste? I think it's a waste. I don't want them to call. My definition of a perfect service desk is a service desk that doesn't ever get a phone call. How are we going to get there? You have to have a service desk. You have to provide service. You have to give help. You have to fulfill requests. But can you get to the point to where your service desk is giving you information to drive innovation instead of just fix things? That's the question. So you can use a framework. And ITIL and COVID, yay! But they're frameworks. They're adopt and adapt. And we don't really give you a whole lot of clues on how to do stuff. And when you look at Lean, Lean was very good in the manufacturing world and in the building world and stuff like that, and then it came to IT. And the first time I heard about Lean and IT, I went, not for us. We're too different and diverse. Wrong. Lean works with us because it gives us a way of looking at the customer and understanding what they want that ITIL and COVID have not been able to give me in over 30 years. It allows me to change the focus from what Marcus said, which was stop giving them IT solutions and start giving them business solutions.